The Volt gets its propulsion power from a 16.5 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack with 288 cells and an advanced electric drive unit. This T-shaped battery pack is about 6 feet long and positioned in the center tunnel of the vehicle. This battery is designed to operate in what's called a state of charge window at any given time. This is a strategy to never fully charge or discharge the battery, which enhances long life. The battery always has a reserve of power. Just like all batteries, this battery pack is affected by temperature extremes, so engineers designed it to be temperature controlled with the use of an active liquid climate control system. There are two ways to charge the Volt battery. Either charge through a 120-volt outlet, the most common circuit in your house, or use a 240-volt circuit to shorten the charging time. The minimum requirement is a 120-volt 15-amp dedicated grounded outlet with a 3-prong wall receptacle. This receptacle should include a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. There shouldn't be any other major appliances connected to the same circuit. This is required for the portable charge cord, which is included in all Volts. A full charge takes about 10 to 16 hours, depending on your programmed charging level. The default is the reduced level at 8 amps. Depending on the electrical capacity of the outlet and circuit, a higher maximum 12-amp charging level can be selected to provide quicker charging. Use the reduced rate until a qualified electrician inspects your electrical circuit capacity or if the circuit capacity is unknown. In extreme hot or cold temperatures, charging times and energy usage will increase when using the 120-volt portable cord set. A better way to charge Volt is to use a 240-volt outlet. It provides faster and more consistent charging times in a variety of climate conditions. This higher-powered 240-volt circuit is similar to the outlet used for an electric home dryer. A 20-amp circuit is the minimum spec. A 30-amp circuit is recommended, and a 40-amp circuit will give you future EV flexibility. A full charge takes about 4 hours. Contact your dealer or a Volt customer advisor for more information about an available 240-volt home charging station. Charging Volt at home is a simple process. When you turn the Volt off, you can open the charge port door by pressing and releasing this button on the driver's door. The charge port door opens, ready to accept the charging plug. Review the charging screen on the center stack for selected charge mode and charge complete time. Charge complete time is calculated based on charging level. The default charging level is reduced 8 amps for a 120-volt portable charge cord. To change the charge level, press the leaf button on the center stack or touchscreen, and then touch the Charging tab at the top of the screen. Select the Change Charge Level to increase charging level if charging with a 120-volt portable charge cord. Use the reduced charge level until a licensed electrician inspects your electrical circuit capacity or if the electrical circuit or outlet socket capacity is unknown. You'll find the 120-volt charging cord conveniently stowed in the rear cargo area. Make sure your vehicle plug is properly connected to the Volt charge port. You'll hear an audible click when it's properly connected. Once you're plugged in, you can check charging status at a glance. A quick way is by checking the charging status indicator at the center of the instrument panel near the windshield. It lights up when the car is plugged in and the vehicle power is off. It's normal for the light to turn amber for a few seconds after plugging in. A solid green with a single horn chirp means the vehicle is plugged in and the battery is charging. A long pulse flashing green with a double horn chirp means the vehicle is plugged in and is programmed for delayed battery charging. A short pulse flashing green means the vehicle is plugged in and the battery is fully charged. A solid yellow means the vehicle is plugged in and is not charging. And no light means the vehicle is not plugged in. Another way to check the status of your charge is to open the driver's door and view the information on the cluster display. You can use the center stack 7-inch LCD touchscreen to set up your charging preferences. To access this information, simply push the Leaf button on the center stack. You'll see 3 buttons along the top of the touchscreen. Selecting the Charging button shows your current settings and lets you set your preferences. When you press the Change Charge Level button at the bottom of the screen, you can change the rate of charging. This is only for use with the 120-volt charge cord. The default setting is the reduced level of 8 amps. Press the Change Charge Mode to select one of 3 charging options. Immediate instructs the vehicle to start charging as soon as it's connected to an electrical outlet. Delayed Departure Time tells the vehicle to calculate what time to start charging based on when you want to drive. You push the back button to save your settings and push Edit to make changes. The third mode is Delayed Rate and Departure. When you choose this mode, the vehicle calculates the charging start time based on utility rate schedules and preferences, in addition to when you plan to depart. Again, you push the back button to save your settings, and the Edit button to access rate schedules and departure time.